Hello guys, Robert Weekly here. We're definitely going to talk about Club Cash Fund, why you need to join this great opportunity in direct mail. It's the #1 direct mail, and this is why. The company mails out your flyer kits for free. So all you have to do is go out there, advertise your Facebook link, okay? Whatever you want to, on Facebook or wherever you want to advertise. You can do that. It is so simple. So simple. Club Cash Fund is only $80 one time. You mail it in the white envelope. I suggest priority mail, and you definitely do that. And once he gets it, bam, you have your website. You can advertise it, solo ads, whatever, and people go ahead and request their starter kit in the mail. And once they do that, guys, it is done, a done deal. Okay, and I'm going to show you right now. I am so excited, and I made $240. Okay, I have 11 referrals right now, and I've only been in. You can see my name right there. The CBC. It's April 26th I joined, and right now it's May 13th. I have 54 kits in position 1, 25 kits in position 2, and 0 kits in position 3. So when my team starts growing, I can make 20, 20, 20 on those 3 levels. Okay, guys. So I've been really busting my butt getting this thing going, okay, and it's very exciting. So go ahead and click that link below. Go ahead and request your free starter kit. Check it out because you're gonna love it, guys. We'll talk to you later. All right, goodbye.